Need a paper copy of your sticky notes. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest ways to print your notes, explain the current limitations of sticky notes, and share a few simple workarounds that work well on Windows. Sticky Notes is designed for quick digital notes, and most current versions do not include a built-in print button. Because of that, you'll need to use another method to print your notes. Open the note you want to print and select all of the text by pressing Ctrl+A, then press Ctrl+C to copy everything to your clipboard. Next, open an application that supports printing, such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, or Microsoft OneNote. So create a new document and press Ctrl+V to paste your copied note. Once you're happy with the layout, open the print menu by pressing Ctrl+P. Choose your printer, review the print preview, adjust any settings if needed, and then print your document. If you don't need a paper copy right away, consider saving your note as a PDF instead. You know, most Windows print menus include a print to PDF option, giving you a digital backup that's easy to share or archive, and that's how to print sticky notes on Windows. I mean, while the app doesn't include its own print feature, copying your notes into another application makes printing quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.